Hello guys, this is Sir Mars and you are watching Lectures ni Sir Mars. So in this video, I am going to discuss about the angle between the two lines. So this is still under the subject Analytic Geometry. Okay, so let's start. Paano nga ba natin makukuha guys yung angle between two lines? So I will give you two methods para makuha natin yung angle between the two lines. So for example, we have here line 1. Yung line 1 natin is yung kanyang slope ay m1, and then we have line 2 which has a slope of m2. Okay, so pwedeng magkabaliktad yan guys, no? So pwedeng yung line 1 yung mas malaki yung inclination, and pwedeng yung line 2 yung mas maliit. Okay, so yung method 1 natin is gagamitin mo yung formula. Okay, so kapag formula ang yung gagamitin, kailangan mong i-memorize of course ang formula, and the formula para sa theta yung ating angle between the two lines dito, no? So tangent theta is equal to the slope of line 2 minus the slope of line 1 divided by 1 plus m1 times m2. Okay, so madali lang. All you have to do is get the slope of line 2 and line 1 and then use this formula to get the theta. Okay, so sa method 2 naman, ito yung pinakagusto ko guys kasi hindi mo na kailangan mag-memorize ng formula. So all you have to do is kunin yung inclination ng ating line 2 which is sabihin natin alpha 2, and kunin yung inclination ni line 1 which is tawagin natin siyang alpha 1, or pwede magkabaliktad yan guys, no? So ang mangyayari kapag mas malaki yung inclination ni line 2 which is yung alpha 2, all you have to do is i-minus si alpha 2 at saka si alpha 1. So bali alpha 2 minus alpha 1, yun yung ating theta. Pero kung mas malaki yung inclination ni line 1, then bali alpha 1 minus alpha 2 yung mangyayari, no? So ibig sabihin guys, no, all you have to do here is absolute value yung kunin nyo po, no? Absolute value yung ating kukunin dito. Okay, sige, so para mas maintindihan natin guys yung paggamit nitong dalawang methods na ito, let us solve an example problem. So let us now solve this problem. Determine the acute angle between the lines 4x minus 3y plus 9 equals to 0 and 3x minus 8y plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so nandiyan yung ating mga choices. Okay, so let us now solve this problem. Okay, so again, ito na nga yung ating problem guys. So ayun, so hindi natin kailangang i-plot, no, yung ating line 1 tsaka line 2 sa Cartesian plane. Let's assume na yung first na given which is the 4x minus 3y plus 9, ito yung ating line 1, and yung pangalawang given na line, equation ng line is yung ating line 2. Okay, so ngayon, no, sige, gamitin muna natin guys yung ating method 1. So sa ating method 1, yung ating formula is gamit yung tangent theta is equal to m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 times m2. Okay, so bago tayo mag-compute, kasi kakailangan natin i-compute yung ating mga slope. So slope ni line 1 and yung slope ni line 2. So bago tayo mag-compute, no, gusto ko lang sabihin guys na yung shortcut ng formula ni slope is equal to negative a over b, no? So ano ba yung a over b? This is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 na equation ng line. Okay? So kapag given yung ating general equation ng line in this form, so all you have to do is get the coefficients of x and the coefficients of y which are a and b, then makukuha mo na yung slope. Okay, so paano ba nangyari yun, no? Paano ba natin nakuha itong shortcut na to? So makukuha mo itong shortcut na to kasi di ba meron tayong tinatawag na slope-intercept form which is in the form of y is equal to mx plus b. So yung ating m dito is yun niya yung slope, no, ng ating line. Itong m na yan is that is the slope of our line. So kung gusto nating makuha yung ating slope, edi galing tayo, for example, galing tayo dito sa general form, if we transform that to slope-intercept form, magiging by is equal to negative ax minus c. So all we have to do is to divide the whole equation by b. So mangyari is y is equal to negative a over b x minus c over b. Ayun, so ibig sabihin nito guys, okay, so this is now in the form of slope-intercept form. So yung m natin dito is equal to negative a over b, which is dito na nga galing guys yung ating formula na slope is equal to negative a over b. And yung ating y-intercept na b is equal to negative c over b. Okay? So anyway, yung ating kailangan lang dito is the slope which is negative a over b. Sige nga, no, para mas mabilis, kunin natin dito si m1 and that is negative a over b nga ulit, no, yung ating formula, and yung ating a is again negative. Yung ating a is 4 divided by b natin is negative 3. So this is 4/3. Then yung ating M2 is equal to negative A over B ulit, negative 3. Ang ating A natin is 3, and then yung ating B is negative 8. So this is equal to 3, 8. Ayun. So nakuha na kagad natin guys yung ating mga slope. So all we have to do is to substitute in our formula. So bali tangent theta is equal to M2, which is 3, 8, minus M1, which is 4 thirds, divided by 1 plus M1 times M2. So M1 natin again is 4 thirds, M2 natin is 3, 8. Okay, then we will solve for our theta, and the theta is equal to 32.57 degrees. So, ito na nga yung ating sagot guys. So, all we have to do is hanapin yung ating sagot dito sa taas sa mga choices, and the answer is letter A. O di ba ang dali, no? Kung gamit yung ating formula. So, let us now try solving this problem using the method 2. So, again, yung ating method 2 is, diba? Kung for example, we have these two lines. Ito yung ating line 1, tapos ito yung ating line 2. Then, all we have to do is kunin muna yung ating inclination ni line 2, which is natawag natin siyang alpha 2. Tapos kunin yung ating inclination ni line 1, which is alpha 1. So, makukuha na natin itong angle na to between the two lines, which is theta. Okay? So, theta natin dito is alpha 2 minus alpha 1. Okay, so take note, no? This must be absolute value kasi what if mas malaki yung inclination ni line 1, edi si line 1 yung ating, yung alpha 1 yung ating maminusan ng alpha 2 kung mas malaki yung inclination ni line 1. So, absolute value na lang tayo guys, no? Para hindi tayo magka-problema kasi bawal maging negative yung ating angle dito. Okay? Paano nga ba natin makukuha yung ating alpha 1 tsaka alpha 2, no? So, for example, no, we have here a line and gusto nating makuha yung alpha nito, no? So, bale, all we have to do is kailangan natin, of course, nung ating slope, no? So, yung ating slope is the rise over run, okay? So, tama ba guys na yung, kung ano yung angle nitong alpha, that is also the angle here, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, the tangent alpha is equals to rise over run, which is tangent alpha is equal to the slope. Okay? So, ayun. So, ibig sabihin, since alam na natin yung ating slope sa line 1 tsaka line 2, then makukuha natin yung kanilang mga alpha. So, yung ating M1 kanina is equal to, ano nga yun? 4 thirds. And yung ating M2 is equal to 3, 8. And ibig sabihin, makukuha natin guys yung ating alpha 1. Tangent alpha 1 natin is equal to 4 thirds. No? Sabi nga natin, tangent of alpha is equal to M. And tangent alpha 2 natin dito is equal to 3, 8. So, bali, kunin lamang natin si alpha 1 and si alpha 2. And bali, ang mangyayari is that alpha 1 is equal to 53.13 degrees. And alpha 2 natin is 20.56 degrees. Okay? So, ayun. So, mas malaki pala si alpha 1 compared kay alpha 2. So, again, okay lang kasi nga naka-absolute value man tayo. So, bali, theta is equal to alpha 2 natin is 20.56 degrees minus 53.13 degrees na alpha 1. So, bali, ang mangyari, theta natin is 32.57 degrees. So, ito na nga yung ating sagot, which is pareho lamang yung sagot natin sa method 1. Okay? So, again, yung ating answer ay letter A, and that is 32.57 degrees. So, ulitin lamang natin guys, no? The answer to this problem is letter A, and that is 32.57 degrees. So, I hope nag-learn kayo guys, no, sa ating lecture ngayon. So, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe to my channel para updated kayo sa aking mga bagong lectures. See you in the next video guys. Bye-bye! If this lecture has helped you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, you can comment below or send your questions to my Facebook page, Lectures ni Sir Mars. I will paste the link in the video description. You can also download the PDF of my lectures and PDF references for civil engineering by visiting my site. The link is also in the video description. Thank you again guys. Once again, this is Sir Mars, and see you in the next lecture.